We're perched on the beautiful shores of Tawasin, British Columbia with our Nissan NV200 fully converted into a cozy little getaway machine. Let's take you through everything we've done to turn this van into a hotel on wheels. First off, let's check out the pull-out table. It's held up by this marine table stand that locks together. A quick little twist and pull and this table slides out for us to eat, work, or just enjoy the views. Now, the heart of any camper van, the kitchen. We have heavy-duty drawer slides that pull out to reveal our 12-volt bodega fridge/freezer. It's powered by our Bluetti AC180, which also runs our Ulalov electric kettle. This side also has space for all our snacks, coffee, and dry goods. T's side of the kitchen pulls out to reveal the cooktop, where we store our Coleman stove, propane, collapsible sink, utensils, and cookware. All of this packs away nice and neat, ready to go at a moment's notice. We designed and built this whole setup with 1/2" and 3/4" Baltic birch. We've tried to optimize everything. Everywhere you look, there's a spot for something. Clothes, toiletries, cookware, everything has its place. There's hidden storage under the bench seat for bedding, yoga mats, and floor mats. Our bed lifts up to access our fridge on my side, and the shower, our Boxio compostable toilet, and more on T's side. And this is our pride and joy, the queen-size bed. At 6'3", I can stretch out with room to spare. It's cozy, comfortable, and perfect for both of us. So that's our DIY micro camper van. We built this from scratch with no prior experience, and we couldn't be more proud of what we've created. This camper has everything we need to sleep, eat, and live comfortably on the road. Who needs a $100,000 rig when you can do this yourself? Thanks for checking out our van tour. If you're thinking about building your own micro camper, trust us, it's totally worth it. Happy camping, and we'll see you on the road.